Hi and welcome. This is Toby, I'm Arne, and today we are going to tear down the brand new OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G. At OPPO, our main focus is going above and beyond what's expected. When it comes to designing new smartphones, we pay keen attention to all details that matter, both inside and out. With the Reno6 Pro 5G, we've not only taken a new step in AI portrait video technology, but we also created one of the slimmest Reno smartphones with stunning finishes that truly stand out from the crowd. With its powerful quad camera and Sony IMX766 imaging sensor, the Reno6 Pro is a mobile storyteller's dream. Plus, it comes with reliable 5G, allowing you to share and browse faster than ever before. The beautiful 6.5-inch display can truly bring colors to life. With OLED technology and HDR10+ certification, the Reno6 Pro gives you a rich, wide range of colors, with deep blacks and vibrant highlights. With a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz, the display gives you fluid animations and smooth gaming experiences. The back cover is designed with our trademarked OPPO Glow technology for a truly striking look. We've achieved this by using 1 million micron level prism crystals that result in a unique sparkling effect, inspired from the natural phenomenon of 0-degree crystallization. The final item is produced through 50+ complex manufacturing processes from raw materials. The Reno6 Pro is also extremely slim at 7.99mm, while still maintaining a comfortable and ergonomic fit in hand thanks to its curved edges. Here's a behind-the-scenes look at how our Super VOOC 2.0 flash charge technology works. The two-piece battery allows us to charge rapidly at a safe and low voltage. With only 5 minutes of charging, you'll have enough power to watch 4 hours of video. In only 35 minutes, the large 4500 mAh battery is fully charged. Let's take a closer look at the camera module. The star here is the main IMX766 50-megapixel sensor with OIS, which was co-developed with Sony. This is the most advanced camera sensor in a Reno smartphone to date, meaning you won't have to compromise when it comes to high-quality photography. The Reno6 Pro brings a new era of AI portrait video with bokeh flare portrait video mode, giving you the right tools for the job. For a truly versatile creative experience, we've included ultra-wide, telephoto and macro cameras, completing the creator's toolkit. This means you can shoot wide landscapes, stunning bokeh shots with softly blurred backgrounds, or even close-up shots of nature. The color temperature sensor, which is integrated in the flash, helps you get consistent colors across all your captures. Coupled with the advanced AI video features like AI highlight video, ultra steady video and ultra night mode, the Reno6 Pro is great for both aspiring and seasoned mobile videographers. At the heart of the Reno6 Pro, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G mobile platform. The chipset really packs a punch, with boosted performance from the Cryo 585 CPU that's ideal for intense computing up to 3.2 GHz. And the Adreno 650 GPU delivers superb gaming experiences, supporting HDR and 2020 color gamut. Of course, the platform comes with advanced 5G connectivity and fast Wi-Fi 6, letting you enjoy the best connection and fastest downloads regardless of network. With the powerful hardware, it's absolutely necessary to keep things running cool in order to get the optimum experience. We've designed the Reno6 Pro Vapor Chamber to take cooling to the next level by distributing heat efficiently. Making efficient use of internal space, we've added stereo speakers in the mix for rich audio that can envelope the room. These can level up your gaming experience, listen to your favorite tunes, or immerse yourself into your favorite movies. Haptics play a key role in how you interact with your smartphone, from typing or tapping apps to immersing yourself in games. Our X-axis motor comes with great vibration support for games for more tactile feedback, giving you a competitive edge. The motor can support more than 30 unique waveforms to create a unique, more immersive gaming experience. All these parts, from processor to camera to back cover, come together to build something truly great. The Reno6 Pro 5G boasts premium hardware and AI features that take portrait videos to the next level. Innovation and elegance have been key pillars for the creation of all our devices. We imbue these values at every step of the process and in every design choice, hardware component used, and feature included, resulting in one-of-a-kind user experiences. This was the exclusive teardown of the OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G. We hope you've enjoyed it as much as we did, and thank you very much for watching.